Okay, this video is about dividing decimals by whole numbers. So we're going to just do some circling and see how we do this. All right, so here we're looking at two whole divided by 4. Can we divide 2 by 4? No, but what we can do is count this as 20 tenths, right? Tenths are here, so here's 10 tenths in this one, 20 tenths in this one. If we were to divide this into 4 equal parts, okay, let's consider this 20 tenths divided by 4. Let's consider it that way. Okay. 20, okay, so let's actually, you know what, the way we were writing this, I'm now remembering, it's been a while, we were writing it out as 20 tenths divided by 4. Okay, 20 tenths divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is what? 20 divided by 4 is 5. But is our answer going to be 5 whole or 5 tenths? Let's double check. Let's count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here's 5. Here's 5. Here's 5. And here's 5. So there we're saying 20 tenths divided by 4 gives us 4 groups of 5 tenths. So our answer is going to be 5 tenths. And actually, the rule for this, the answer for this is if we're talking about tenths, our answer is going to be in tenths. So we can even write out, we just need to remember, if we're talking about tenths, our answer is in tenths. We can write out tenths, but really I want to see it as a decimal. Okay, this one, are we talking about tenths or hundreds? We're talking about hundreds. So we're talking about 28 hundredths divided by 7. Okay, what's 28 divided by 7? We know that, right? 28 divided by 7 is 4. Okay, so what are we talking about here? We need to match that. We need to match hundredths with hundredths, but let's see what that looks like. It's going to be 4 hundredths. So let's circle some groups of 4 hundredths. 1, let's see, what's an easy way of doing this? There's 4 hundredths. There's 4 hundredths. There's 4 hundredths. There's 4 hundredths, and there's 4 hundredths. So now we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we have another 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 hundredths. And there's 4 hundredths. So we're looking at, there's our 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 28 hundredths divided into 7 groups gets you 4 hundredths. 7 groups of 4 hundredths. Okay. So the answer, how do we write that? Let's write that as a decimal. 0.04. Okay, next page. Here we're looking at 3 tenths divided by 3. 3 tenths divided by 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3 is 1. We should be calling this tenths. Let's double check that that's correct. Okay, 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths. There we go. That makes sense that 3 tenths divided by 3 would be groups of 1 tenth. So our answer is tenths. So really, here's what we're doing. You're taking this, if this is tenths, our answer is going to be in tenths. If we're talking hundredths, then our answer, here's this one, I'm seeing hundredths down here. Our answer has to be in hundredths. Okay, so I want you practicing that. And then, so now we're on to the harder math. We're on to bigger numbers. Okay, this is where we need to be using our long division. Okay, so Jasmine has $5.97. She splits it up between 3 friends. How much money does each friend get? Okay, Jasmine has $5.97. $5, 9 dimes, 7 pennies. Let's talk about her for 3 friends. Okay, can 3 friends each get $1? Yes, and that's all they get. 3 divided by 5, 5 divided by 3. It only goes 1 time because 2 times 3 is 6. That's too much. So 1, 3 times 1 is 3. Minus, so 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, we have $2 left over. Let's see that up top. So we gave 3 friends, there's $1, $2, $3 that we gave away, and here's our 2 extra dollars left over. So now let's talk about the 9 dimes. Let's talk about what we have left over. We have 9 dimes here, okay? 9 dimes here, and 7 pennies. Nine dimes and 7 pennies. So, but now we still have, what we're looking at is we've given away these. We still have $2, 9 dimes, and 7 pennies to hand out. We can't divide 2 by 3. That's a remainder. So we're going to put it up here. 2 goes here. Okay, because basically what we're saying is our $2 becomes, this is 10 pennies, 20 pennies, plus 9 pennies. That's 10, 20, plus 9. That's 29, sorry, not pennies. 10 dimes, 20 dimes, plus 9 dimes here. We have 29 dimes. Okay, 29 divided by 3. Can we divide 3 by 29? Yes. How many times does 3 go into 29? Go down your multiplication chart and see that 3 times 9 gets us 29, or gets us close to 29. It gets us 27. How many do we have left over? 2. Okay, so we've handed out 20. We've handed out 27. So let's see what that looks like. I've handed out 1, 2, maybe I should use, I'm going to use a marker here so you guys can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7, so I've given out all these dimes. These are 10 dimes, 20 dimes, 27 dimes. That works because I have 3 friends. I can give that out evenly. But now I still have 2 dimes and 7 pennies. Let's just call that pennies. Let's bring those dimes and make change, make them pennies. Okay, so does 3 go into 27? Yes, it does. We just did that. 3 times 9 is 27. There we go. We gave all of our money away. So, whoopsies. So we've got each friend gets $199. No, no, no. Because look, our original problem has 100. We've got 2 numbers behind the decimal point, so it's going to be the same thing. 2 numbers behind the decimal point here. $1.99. Okay, let's do that one more time down here. And then I'm going to have you finish up the packet on your own. Scarlett has $5.98. She's splitting it between 2 friends. Okay, 2 friends can get what? 5 divided by 2. We know that 2 times 2 equals 4. So let's see what that looks like. I've got 2 friends. All right, there's my friend gets 1, my other friend gets 1. My friend gets 1, my other friend gets 1. Yay, each friend gets $2, right? We got rid of, so there we've spent $4. Okay, we've given away $4. We can't split this between 2 people easily, so let's just say we still have $1 left. We're going to make change. We're going to call that dimes. So let's talk about our dimes. Now we have 10 dimes here, and we have 9 dimes here. And then another 8 pennies. Okay, there we go. 10 dimes, 9 dimes, 8 pennies. Okay, so we made change. This dime needs to come this dollar needs to be converted into dimes. So we're saying we have 19 dimes for 2 friends. 2 times what is 19? Nothing, but 2 times something gets us close to 19. I'm remembering that 2 times 9 gets us to 18. Okay, so let's see. How many do we have? 19 minus 18. We still have 1 dime left over. So look, we gave away 10. We gave away 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 dimes. That's how much we were able to give away equally. But we still have 1 dime and 8 pennies. Bring that dime over. Okay, 1 dime, 8 pennies. Okay, so that becomes 18 pennies. Okay, look at that. We know that one already. 2 times 9 is 18. 0. Okay, so our answer is, again, $299? No. We're talking about $5.98. Look at where that decimal is. That decimal needs to, we can just copy that decimal. Talking about hundredths, that's where that goes, in the hundredths place. Okay, I want you doing the rest of the packet on your own. Good luck.